Do this if you have hemorrhoids and you are looking for a fast topical solution to reduce the swelling, pain, and bleeding you're experiencing. I'm so excited to share with you this amazing natural remedy that works like that. Hemorrhoid pain and bleeding and swelling can be absolutely debilitating, and it makes you not want to sit down or even run to the toilet. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite protocol that I recommend to all of my patients. I happen to be a vein expert and work with individuals with assorted vein problems. So the hemorrhoids you're experiencing are a vein problem. And the fast treatment that you can deploy that's powerful as both an anti-inflammatory and astringent is to use apple cider vinegar. So today I'm going to share with you how to use apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to share with you how it works. So first off, you are going to be diluting apple cider vinegar in a water solution. So it has to be diluted. So what you're gonna do is grab a bowl and you're going to put a half a cup of water and a third a cup of apple cider vinegar in the bowl. It can be warmed water or cooled, whatever you prefer temperature-wise. But then you're going to take a cotton ball or one of those facial cotton rounds, and you're gonna soak that in the diluted apple cider vinegar water solution. And then you're going to apply that to your hemorrhoids. The application of your apple cider vinegar water cotton ball can be up to 5 to 10 to 15 minutes. And you'll be repeating this frequently. Now with many of my patients, they describe the greatest instance of pain, irritation, and bleeding is after they have a bowel movement. So that's a perfect time to do this concoction of apple cider vinegar and water dilution, and then do your soak. Now you want to soak your cotton ball, squeeze it out a little bit, and then apply to the anus. And depending on how big and how inflamed the tissue is, you may just want to put on a sanitary pad in your underwear and then just kind of gently position it so where when you're seated, that the cotton ball can stay exposed on the skin without getting your underwear or undergarments wet. Now you can repeat this process every 2 or 3 hours during a hemorrhoid flare. And flares come and go, but I'm going to share with you this resource, this treatment is something you can not only do when you're in active flare, but also to prevent a flare. Apple cider vinegar has many properties, but 2 of the powerful properties we're tapping into is that it's an anti-inflammatory. So it will reduce the redness, the swelling, the discomfort of the swollen tissue in and around your anus and even inside. Most of the time with a hemorrhoid, especially if they're dropping outward and bleeding, there's going to be internal tissue swelling. So this will cover that. As we reduce the swelling on the outside, it also helps reduce the swelling on the inside. Now, the astringent properties of apple cider vinegar is where we kind of get to the bread and butter of apple cider vinegar. The astringent specifically is what can create vein shrinkage. So this particular property of apple cider vinegar helps reduce swollen blood vessels, and it gets them to shrink and they reduce in size, and we have a reduction in the bleeding. This is awesome also for any folks that also happen to have other vein problems like varicose veins or spider veins. So my apple cider remedy is extremely powerful. Don't be surprised if you get instant shrinkage where the bleeding completely stops and you're like, whoa, where'd the hemorrhoid go? That is a total normal experience just because of the anti-inflammatory and the astringent power that we're tapping into with apple cider vinegar. So I love sharing this with you. Let me know if you have any other vein questions. I also am going to include some links down in the description box below for my other vein health related videos. I've created a lot of content that has been of interest to millions of folks in the realm of blood flow and enhanced blood circulation, as well as vein problems like chronic vascular insufficiency. Hemorrhoids fall into this category. So the likelihood is if you have a hemorrhoid, you might also benefit from some of my other videos that I hope you do check out. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you on our next video.